Let's talk about how to shake a cocktail. You probably have an idea of, just going back and forth and you're just chilling the ice. There actually is some techniques that are a good idea to master. I've already built my cocktail in here. Now this is a 2-piece tin. You can use the 3-piece ones, which are sort of self-explanatory. I like these better because the ice really can travel and can chill the drink properly, chill it faster, and then give it that really great frothy texture that you want, and which is ideal for optimal deliciousness. So I've already built my drink in the small part of the tin. If I build it in the big part, it might overflow when I combine them. So small tin, and now we want to form that seal, okay? So when you lift it up like that, it stays together. You'll notice that I have one part flush, and then there's the maximum distance here. Remember that. So I have 2 cocktails built here, and just to show off, I'm gonna shake them both. All right, so if you're shaking 2, you wanna hold them with 2 fingers on each side so that if you feel it separating, you'll notice and you can sort of stop. You should never be afraid of them separating on you if you form a tight enough seal. And if you're holding them properly, if it starts to break, you'll know before you make a mess. If you're shaking one cocktail, you can hold them together with both hands. But that's not what we're doing. We're gonna go big today. So I'm gonna be alone with my shakers while I rock this out. Do you need to have a catchy rhythm with your shaking? No. Should you? Yes. Okay. Do you hear that? That's the seal already starting to break. Shh. Shh. Okay, so now we're gonna break the seal. I'm not gonna hit it at the part that's flush, and I'm not going to try to break it on the largest distance. I'm gonna go right in between, that sort of halfway point. The palm of your hand, when you hear it start to hiss like that, you know that you already broke the seal. And then just sort of jimmy it off. It takes some practice to really get a feel for it. I've done this probably 1,000 times, so I really know how to do it. But don't feel bad if you're just like doing it a million times and can't get it. You'll figure it out. Just don't get frustrated. Don't get mad at the shaker. The shaker is your friend. Okay, now we're gonna strain this cocktail. Pretty much anytime you're shaking something, you're gonna strain it. Even if it's gonna be on the rocks, you don't really wanna pour it out from the shaker because all that ice is gonna be broken, it's gonna melt really fast. You wanna pour that over fresh ice. In this case, we have an up glass. So we're gonna take our Hawthorne strainer. It's been called that for over 100 years. People aren't exactly sure why. They think it was because this guy Hawthorne invented it in the late 19th century. I'm pretty sure they're right, but we'll probably never know. And I'm gonna fine strain this. As you'll see, this is a daiquiri here. There aren't any ice chips on top. It just gives it a silkier texture. And there you have it. That is how you shake and how you strain a cocktail. Let's talk about how to shake a cocktail. You probably have an idea of, just going back and forth and you're just chilling the ice. There actually is some techniques that are a good idea to master. I've already